The creative cloud computing environments incorporates both the development of applications and systems that influence cloud computing solutions and the creation of frameworks, characteristics, platforms, and infrastructures delivering cloud-based services. The cloud environment must have a set of majorly 5 characteristics, 3 major service models and 3 major deployment models. Any infrastructure to be regarded as cloud, it must have some characteristic features, like on-demand self-service. The cloud platform must have a portal where user can demand for extra resources and decrease resources as per the need, and these resources must be allocated immediately. Other than this, the portal must be compatible enough to provide assistance to the user along with troubleshooting helps. Broad network access, that allow users to access resources from anywhere, irrespective of the location and time. The broader the network of cloud environment, the better the experience user will have. It will not restrict user to access cloud services up to a particular region, country, or continent. Rapid elasticity, which means that the resources must be easily scaled up or say added up to the user set of resources and scaled down or removed from set of users' resources as required, and this operation must be as fast as it can be. Cloud environment must have enough systems in action to automatically deliver or remove resources in order to provide just the right amount of assets to the user. Make a note that elasticity and scalability might sound similar, but elasticity matches the resource allocation with actual amount of resources needed, while scalability handles the changing need of the application within the confines of the infrastructure via adding or removing resources, if needed. Moving back to the characteristics, resource pooling is another required one. Cloud infrastructure must have enough number of resources that are required to fulfill the demand of the user anytime. The lack of resources can lead to failure in providing services, which may cost both the provider, by the means of trust and legal issues, while for user, in terms of loss to the business. Measured services enables cloud provider to have a measured amount for all possible services that could be provided, like the cost and availability of resource, availability region, possible features and services, uptime of the resources, and all other requirements. Besides administrative tasks mostly connected to the accessibility of resources in the cloud, the extreme dynamism of cloud systems include provisioning of new nodes and services on demand. To achieve the goal, cloud infrastructure has service models and deployment models. The service models include infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. After the service models, the deployment models, which define the way to deliver services that are mentioned. These deployment models are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. We will see about these service models and deployment models in depth in upcoming modules. Currently we are more concerned with the essential characteristics that are required for any architecture to be known as cloud computing architecture. This on building up cloud architecture ends here. In the next module, we will see the cloud computing service models and its categorization. If you experienced any issue during the module or found any slip-up, please do not hesitate to mail us. The mail ID is shown at your screen. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for instant notification of the third module. See you there.